Now children, we come to the sixth fundamental right, which is right to constitutional remedies. And this is very important, right? In fact, Dr. Ambedkar says this is the soul of the constitution or the fundamental rights, right? Because your sixth fundamental right protects your above five fundamental rights from being taken away. I have told you in the beginning that if fundamental rights are violated, somebody tries to take them away, you can appeal that person, even the government against them, in the Supreme Court directly. You don't have to go to High Court, lower court. So such is the system of the constitution where fundamental rights have been protected. I repeat, right to constitutional remedy you understand, diagnosis and then remedy, solution is being given. Remedial classes are what? Like you have some problem somewhere and then problem was diagnosed that this is the problem. Now remedy will be given in the remedial class. You will be told the solution to the problems. So constitutional remedies, I repeat, this is the soul of the fundamental right of the constitution. Why? Because it protects the above five fundamental rights, and as per Dr. Ambedkar, this was the most important right. So a question can come for this also, that which fundamental right is most important. So now you have the answer, that right to constitutional remedies. Then one very important word in this particular situation comes is justiciable. Are fundamental rights, ARER, are fundamental rights justiciable? Can you contest them in any court? Or the other way of saying is, as I said few minutes back, can you appeal against government or any one individual who tries to take away your fundamental right? Answer is yes. But remember, there are certain limitations we did in the course of Right to Freedom. I believe you can recall. You will read it again. For example, emergency. If our country goes into war with some other country, then if government wants, your fundamental rights stand suspended. Why? Because government cannot fight on two fronts. They are already taking care of an external danger. So when external danger is there, internally they can tighten the noose. And all of us need to understand that country wants to pay attention on one area only, not two. So there are such limitations, you have already read them. So constitutional remedies is the most important right when it comes to the list of fundamental rights, because it protects your all other fundamental rights. And as Dr. Ambedkar described, this is the most important right. As I said, if somebody asks you which is the most important one, all are important. But because of this, all fundamental rights are safe. So this is the most important right. Thank you.